I'm collecting coins, so-called goblony, getting king baby for Nubby, popping pegs 2 times my points for clearing the board. My favorite perk is the void. Looking for nubs that pop pegs, that bounce nubs, that pop pegs, trigger items and then perks, that pop pegs, that bounce nubs. Always trigger items you really love. Nubs that pop pegs, that bounce nubs, that pop pegs, trigger items and then perks, that pop pegs and bounce nubs. Always trigger items you really love. Seven item slots to unlock the cafe, rerolling everything for kebabs. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lives, no Nubby's wasted. Only reproduce, 'cause I got pregnancy test. I have 2 nubs. Let's go to round 18. Nubs that pop pegs, that bounce nubs, that pop pegs, trigger items and then perks, that pop pegs and bounce nubs. Always trigger items you really love. Nubs that pop pegs, that bounce nubs, that pop pegs, trigger items and perks, that pop pegs, that bounce nubs. Always trigger items you really love. Nubs that pop pegs, that bounce nubs, that pop pegs, trigger items and then perks, that pop pegs, that bounce nubs. Always trigger items you really love. Nubs that pop pegs, that bounce nubs, that pop pegs, trigger items and then perks, that pop pegs, that bounce nubs. Always trigger items you really love. Nubs that pop pegs, that bounce nubs, that pop pegs, trigger items and then perks, that pop pegs, that bounce nubs. Always trigger items you really love. Nubs that pop pegs, that bounce nubs, that pop pegs, trigger items and perks, that pop pegs, that bounce nubs. Always trigger items you really love.